So, Yehuda Ferris, you became the trustee of Levi Abalafia's trust. The trust said to provide $90,000 to his 3 siblings to split, and if they did not get it in 90 days of his death, and it's been 5 years now, then it would become a permanent interest-bearing lien on the property until paid in full. You didn't do that. You sold the property for $80,000, and you never offered them their share. If you did, where's the letter? Where's an email? Where's the document? Where's the transcript from a phone call? You never offered them anything. But what you did do, you evicted his brother from the property, and you attempted to do that right in the middle of the COVID pandemic, which would have cost him his life if you had succeeded. He fought you for a year, and then by the time you finally won, the pandemic had just ended weeks earlier. It never ended, but the eviction moratorium, the shelters in place were just ending. But when you began the eviction case, it was a year before the emergency shelter in place orders were lifted. 1 whole year. You planned to throw him out in the street in the middle of COVID so he would die in the street. That's what it appears to be. And when that didn't succeed, now you have framed him up and lied to the probate court that he filed 29 lawsuits in recent years, so you helped convince the judge in the probate matter to designate him a vexatious litigant. So now you have blacklisted him, so it is now there's no lawyer will take his case to fight you. So you did that on purpose. You deliberately framed him up, blacklisted him as a vexatious litigant, so he can't fight, and he can't, because no lawyer will take a case from a vexatious litigant. And you're still not satisfied, so now you're going to the court with a restraining order request, asking the court that the sibling not be allowed to talk to the media or to the newspapers about the legal matter. So you blocked him, you blackmailed him by slandering him to the judge with misinformation, successfully getting him labeled as a vexatious litigant, which is on appeal. So you did that so he couldn't find a lawyer, because now no lawyer will help him, and he can't do it himself either. And then now you want a restraining order so he can't tell the public this story.